Greetings of the day and welcome back. In this session, we'll focus on building a Kubernetes client application that will dump the number of deployments along with the name. To begin with, we have the skeleton here that would import the necessary repositories and packages. And then we have the connection to the kubeconfig from the client, followed by definition of client CMD. We jump straight to the end of the file where we go ahead and implement our client application. We'll first fetch the deployment details. Fetch the deployment details. Deployments, comma, error, equal to client set. Now we call upon apps viewer where we have the deployment definition. Deployments. Across the default namespace. Further, we skip the error handling as usual. Just going to copy this from here and paste it. This is not about processing client set, but it's about processing the retrieval of deployments. First, we will dump the number of deployments. In the namespace. So we simply call upon the printing utility. The number of deployments. And percentage yes namespace is check. So we know percentage yes is actually default cover. And now deployments dot items. Save this. Before we build, let us go ahead and perform some sanity check. So we see it needs to be defined in apps viewer deployments. Okay, default. All right. Okay. So we're dumping the deployments. We give a namespace. This needs to be printf. We take away this line. Save it. go ahead and build. Perfect. So we have just one deployment here. Let's see if it matches. Yeah, we just have one deployment. So our next goal will be to dump the name of the deployment. Before we go ahead and implement dumping deployments, I will like to modify the module name from end parts to end deployments. Just save it. Yeah. And now build it again. Right. So now I should have end deployments. Perfect. It's good to have the same name as what we are implementing. Alright. Now we go and dump deployments. Here's the deployments. So we have one deployment and we should get the name here. So we iterate through the list of deployments that we have. In the range of deployment items. And then print it one line by line. Done. Let's build it now. Okay, so we should get the number of deployments along with the name. So we just have one deployment here, and the name is Nginx deploy. Let's verify that again. Yeah, good. Thanks for watching. You've been listening to Vidya at cumulonumbers.ai. If you like the kind of video that I'm making, consider subscribing.